Here I've got the Good Sleep, Good Life white noise machine. And it's really small. You can see it fits in both of my hands and it's kind of flat. Now, this is really cool because it does have 8 different settings on it and it even has a timer. Now, this machine actually has 24 soothing sounds. So for each one of these, you would push it and it will change that up. You push it again and it's a little different for you to find which white noise works best for you. Okay, another really cool thing is it's got an on and off right here, or you can use the timer. This would run continuously if you don't use the timer, or you can set it for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. Now, this also can run on batteries, or you can use your outlet here. Now, this can actually be plugged into a power source or directly into the wall using your plug. So we're going to turn this on. I'm going to kind of show you. And we're going to change that up a little bit. You can tell there's a subtle difference there. And that one's even more different. So this allows you to find your perfect white noise for you. This would be great for travel, easy to stick in your bag. Super convenient. I know I hate how silent it is when we travel. So something like this is just really great and easy to have with you.